NFT, non-fungible token, is also a blockchain asset, but it does the opposite. You can't exchange it, you can't swap it. Once you own it, it's yours, except you decide to sell it off. Hey guys, welcome back to our 2-minute series, which is not so 2 minutes. If you are new here, welcome. In today's video, we'll be talking about NFT, that's non-fungible token. NFT means non-replaceable, non-exchangeable, or non-fungible tokens, meaning you cannot say swap a song to get a picture. But in the case of cryptocurrency, you could swap between coins. NFT could be anything ranging from music to picture. The most popular kind of NFT is the picture profile NFT. But what I think people or expect people to actually be paying attention to, or wish people are actually paying attention to, is the play to earn games. This kind of gives you the same picture avatar, but this lets you use the avatar to play a game and you earn. Now, if the play to earn NFT is something you would like me to expand on or explain, I'll probably do that in another video. But if you would love me to do that, drop a comment in the comment section. The process of minting an NFT means you're simply collecting a receipt, say, okay, I own this particular asset, it is mine, and this is the receipt to show for it. Now, probably in the nearest future, when the whole thing is digitalized, when we're all Android and iOS, you could probably monetize that particular NFT, I don't know, because you own it. But for now, that is all it is. Most NFTs is just a receipt that you own a particular digital asset. Now, when you do this, blockchain generates a token ID for that asset, just as it does for every transaction carried out on the blockchain. So every information of that asset is known as metadata, and this is recorded on the blockchain network, which cannot be tampered or messed with. Do you understand what NFT is or the concept around it? If you do, give this video a like, and if you don't, let me know in the comment section below. Subscribe for more. This is Tech Mayor. I will see you in the next video. Okay, that doesn't feel